Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy for the upcoming weeks and months. So 5 cryptocurrencies that are on our radar. Now, first of all, we're going to be looking right here. In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 1%. Now down here, we see Bitcoin is making a move higher. Bitcoin is up about 1.65% in the past 24 hours right here. Ethereum is making a huge run here, up over 8% or so. And then we see these other altcoins also, following that trend. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin to see how it's performing, obviously it was down here at a low earlier today at around 47,000, hitting lows that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. And now obviously we bounced off of it. So we'll see what happens with Bitcoin in the upcoming days. But now let's get into these 5 altcoins. Before we get into them, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps the YouTube algorithm and the channel grow. So smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Share the video with your friends. Leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you buying right now. And let's get into it. So the number 1 pick on our list is going to be PancakeSwap. So a lot of you guys have been talking about PancakeSwap. It's been booming. You know, it's been a huge day for us. It actually finally broke through the $30 resistance that we saw. So this one right now is up about 11% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, up about 42%. In the past month, it's up over 164%. And then here on the 1-year chart, 1900%. Massive gains all time, 1900% as the coin came out here in September of 2020. Market cap currently at over 5 billion. Volume almost at 1 billion coins traded in the past 24 hours. The circulating supply is at around 160 million with it. Now, what does Pancake do? PancakeSwap. So this one is another food-themed DeFi protocol, question mark. Well, you know it. PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain-based DEX launched by Anonymous with a penchant for breakfast foods and rabbits. Now, it looks like a bit like Ethereum's Sushi Swap, but also incorporates many other features that let you earn rewards. So introduction, the food-based farming craze has captivated participants in the crypto space for months. In the latest wave of DeFi protocols, we've seen numerous platforms emerge that allow users to stake their funds in return for the protocol's tokens. The bulk of this activity has been concentrated on the Ethereum blockchain as one of the earliest blockchains supporting, smart contract. It has a sprawling community of users, developers, and tools of buildings, powerful decentralized applications. Now down here, if we take a look, what is PancakeSwap? Well, PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange for swapping BEP-20 tokens. So down here, the PancakeSwap exchange UI, familiar with the Uniswap or Sushi Swap, then you'll have no issue grasping PancakeSwap. They are very quite, similar in their core design. The PancakeSwap uses an automated market maker, AMM model. That means that while you can trade digital assets on the platform, there isn't an order book where you're matched with someone else. Instead, you're a trade against a liquid pool. Now, those pools are, filled with other users' funds. They deposit them into the pool, receive liquidity provider tokens in return. They can use those tokens to reclaim their shares plus a portion of the trading fees. So in short, you can trade BEP-20 tokens or add liquidity and earn rewards. There are also other features we'll cover later on. Now, you'll find these LP tokens in several flavors. If you added, say, BUSD and BNB to the pool, you'll receive BUSD-BNB LP tokens in return. BETH and ETH, you'll get BETH-ETH LP tokens. So down here, if we look at farming and staking on PancakeSwap, you can do that as well. So on your farm, you can deposit your LP tokens, locking them up in a process that rewards you with cake, which LP tokens can use, deposit in here. Well, the list is quite long, so here it is, guys. You guys can take a look at it to see. Now, the rewards don't end here. However, you can earn even more by staking your cake in syrup pools. So you've deposited, obviously the LP tokens, and you've used them to farm cake. Well, from there, you can stake your cake and, earn other tokens through special staking pools. The biggest syrup pool is simply for cake. So whether you can stake your cake to earn even more cake, but there are many, more tokens you can earn by staking your cake. So, be sure to check out the syrup pool, guys. So that is what they do. And actually right here, if we take a quick look, PancakeSwap widens Binance Smart Chain's lead over Ethereum on transactions, which is huge news. So with Ethereum's blockchain processing a record 1.56 million transactions on Wednesday, BSC registered a total transaction volume of 9.13 million, according to the data provided by Etherscan. BSC-based PancakeSwap, which generates liquidity from traders who stake tokens from known as farmers alone, processed more transactions than Ethereum. PancakeSwap contributed more than 2 million on the BSC's transaction on the day, or some 20% of the total. Now, obviously this is a huge news for PancakeSwap as they're, continuing to rise on higher. And obviously that is why we've been talking about PancakeSwap right now. And it's been on a boom in the past, couple of months. If we take a look, like we said, in the past year or so, this coin is booming here just in 2021. I mean, the coin was trading down here around 74 cents. And it's boomed all the way up to about 31, almost $32. That is a massive run up, guys. So obviously PancakeSwap, definitely one to watch on the radar to see what happens in the upcoming months. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about PancakeSwap? Do you own it? Are you buying it or not? And as always, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video on this channel. Share this video with your friends as always. And if you guys want to sign up for eToro, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 50 bucks when you sign up. And also a link in the description for Webull. If you sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800 when you sign up today. Now let's get into the rest of this countdown, guys. Next up on this list, number 2 is going to be Solana, SOL. So this one is up about 10% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at $46.93. Market cap at about 12.7 billion, with volume at over 1.6 billion in the past 24 hours, with a circulating supply at around 269 million coins. Now we're here on the 1 week, it's up about 45%. In the past month, over 260%. This coin was trading at around $11 or $12 at the beginning of March or end of March. In the past year, this one is up over 7,282%. It was trading at $53 or so, or 53 cents, pardon me, and now it's trading at over $47 per coin. Those are some massive gains right there. I mean, even in just the past month, 260%. And if you would have bought this at the beginning of 2021, it was trading at around $2 or so, a little bit less than $2. So you would have made, 20x or higher just in the past, 3 or 4 months. So massive gains right there. If we take a look right here to see what they actually do, so right here, Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain, providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. If we take a look here, obviously they have joined the fastest-growing ecosystem in crypto. Down here, if we take a look actually, so this is how it works. So it's scalable, low cost, and composable. So Solana leverages proof of history and several other breakthrough innovations to allow the network to scale at a rate of Moore's law. Now the low cost, never worry about rising fees as your user base grows. Solana is designed to keep fees low for applications with billions of users. And the composable, while Solana's single global state ensures composability between projects, never deal with multiple shards or to layer 2 systems. Solana is definitely growing, guys, right now. As we can see, it's already made some massive gains in the past few months, and it's only going to continue from here with Bitcoin and these other high market cap coins going up. All these other little mid cap and low cap altcoins are going to be following hopefully in the future, and that's why Solana is definitely one that we're going to be adding to the radar on our list to see what happens in the near future with it as well. Coming in at the number 3 spot, we have Uniswap, ticker symbol UNI. This one is up about 17% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at around $35 per coin, market cap at 18.4 billion, 1.2 billion coins traded in the past 24 hours, with the circulating supply at around 500 million coins right now. In the past week, this one's up about 11%, past month 32%, and then in the past year, up over 1,000%. So really nice gains as the coin came out here in September, trading around $3 or so. So it's made over, a 10x right there, 1,000% or more. Now, if we take a look here at Uniswap's, website right here, we can see that Uniswap, is a leading decentralized crypto exchange that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Uniswap is a completely different type of exchange that fully decentralized, which means it isn't owned and operated by a single entity and uses a relatively new type of trading model called a automated liquidity protocol. Uniswap is also a completely open source, so anyone can, copy the code to create their own decentralized exchange and can list tokens on the exchange for free. Now, because Uniswap is decentralized, it means users maintain control of their funds at all times, as opposed to the centralized exchanges that require traders to give up control of their private keys so that orders can be logged on the internal database rather than be executed on a blockchain, which takes more time and is obviously more expensive than doing it this way. So Uniswap, a lot of potential for the future for it to continue to grow. Next up, coming at the number 4 spot, is going to be Cosmos, ticker symbol ATOM, Atoms. So this one is trading at around right under 20 bucks at 19.45. In the past 24 hours, it's up about 5%. In the past week, it's actually down about 10%. In the past month, up 13%. In the past year, 592%, and then an all-time 394%. So this one is still pretty decent. It's not running up thousands of percent like some of these other coins. Market cap is only at around 4 billion. This one could easily be trading at a 10 or 20 or even potentially 40 billion market cap in the future. Volume is around 461 million coins in the past 24 hours, with the circulating supply at around 210 million coins. If we take a look here at their website, the Internet of Blockchains, that's what they say. So this one, Cosmos aims to create a network of crypto networks united by the open source tools for streamlining transactions between them. Now, rather than prioritizing its own network, its goal is to, obviously foster an ecosystem of networks that can share data and tokens programmatically with no central party facilitating the activity. Now, each new independent blockchain created within Cosmos is then tethered to the Cosmos Hub, which maintains a record of the state of each zone and vice versa. Now, the Cosmos Hub has a proof of stake blockchain. It is powered by its native Atom cryptocurrency. Cosmos network consists of 3 layers, obviously: the application, the networking, and then obviously the third one is going to be the consensus. Now, Cosmos relies on a set of open source tools to tie all the layers together. They have the Tendermint Biosign, a fault tolerance. The Cosmos Hub and the zones are connected via the inter-blockchain communication protocol. So that is, what Cosmos is and what they have in store for us. So, this one, definitely another one that I'm going to be personally adding to my radar to see what happens in the future. They have a really, really good, record right there, track record, I guess you could say. And I think that, they have so much more potential for the future as, they're, prioritizing its own network goals by, fostering that ecosystem of networks that can share the data, programmatically with no other party facilitating the activity. So I like that it's all, independent blockchain created within the Cosmos instead of having it on another one. So definitely one that I'm going to be personally keeping an eye out on to see how it moves in the next couple of months, and obviously as these other coins continue to go higher, how Cosmos is going to be affected. Is it going to continue to go higher or not? In my opinion, I can definitely see this one doing a 10x or higher in the upcoming 5 years or so, bringing it to about a 40 billion market cap or so in the future. So definitely one that I would add to my watch list. And then last but not least, at the number 5 spot, we have Binance Coin, BNB. So we've talked about this one many times, and this one is looking hot. In the past 24 hours, here we were at highs about 515, pulled back down all the way to 478, and then here within a matter of about 2 or 3 hours, we saw this huge boom after the whole crypto market started to trend on higher, including Bitcoin. So obviously they all followed that trend. They all started to move on higher. Now this one, market cap at 79.2 billion, volume at 3.5 billion in the past 24 hours, circulating supply just around 150 million coins. Now with Binance Coin, obviously this is going to be a cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The Binance exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of 2018, facilitating more than 1.4 million transactions per second. Down here, if you take a look, uses of Binance Coin, well, you can do trading, you can do some, transaction fees on the Binance exchange, credit card payments, payment processing, booking travel, arrangements as well, even entertainment, investment, and loans and transfers. Now down here, Binance Coin, initial coin offering. So obviously in 2017, the funding team got 40% of it, angel investors got 10%, and the public sales went about 50%. Now, all of the 100 million BNB tokens available for the public were sold at around 15 cents, which is, crazy. Now, from that 15 million that was raised, 35% was allocated to upgrading the Binance platform and exchange, 50% to Binance branding, marketing, and education of new innovators, and then the remaining 15% was used as a reserve in case of an emergency or unprecedented circumstances. Now, BNB burning, this is a big thing right here. So as mentioned in the Binance white papers, every quarter, Binance uses about 20% of its profits to buy back and burn Binance coins, destroying them completely off of the earth. So Binance has consistently performed quarterly, burns, the latest being the 13th quarterly burn on October 17, 2020. Binance will continue to perform quarterly burns until it buys back and destroys 100 million Binance coins, which is 50% of the total supply. The practice ensures that the supply of Binance coin remains finite, making it scarce and more valuable. So like we said, guys, right here we have 153 million coins, so they still have about 53 million coins to burn before they're done with all of that. So that is, actually beautiful, and I actually like that a lot, because that means there will only be 100 million coins just like with Bitcoin, there's only going to be about 21 million coins ever, available for Bitcoin. Once we mine 21 million, there's not going to be any more to be able to mine. So with Binance, very similar. There's going to be only going to be about 100 million of them. And in my opinion, I think as obviously the supply goes down, the demand is going to go up, and that means the price is going to continue on higher as well. If we take a look on this 1-year chart, I mean, this one was trading at around what, $30, $25 or so. It's up over 30x, or about 3,000%. And just imagine what's going to happen as these coins start to, get burned more, and as the crypto world continues to boom on higher, and people start to use it more and more, especially, Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other coins as well. It's going to definitely help Binance Coin continue its rise on up. I could easily see this one trading at around $1,000 per coin by the end of 2021 if things continue to go the way they are right now. And this one could be a very, very hot one for the rest of the year and going into the next few years as well, because of this potential that I see with it, with the burning of the coins, obviously. Now, obviously, guys, none of this is financial advice. This is just for, education purposes. I'm just going over some coins that I think have potential in the long run. And as you can see, while we were making this video, Bitcoin is still continuing to soar on up, and so is Ethereum. Ethereum is actually almost at a new 52-week high, which is crazy to see, with Bitcoin pulling back so much, about what, 15,000 from the high. Ethereum is still maintaining that high almost at around 2600 per coin. That's why, guys, I always talk about Ethereum. I know I'm going off topic, but Ethereum, I always talk about Ethereum, saying how it has so much potential to be a massive coin in the future. In my opinion, I like Ethereum more than I like Bitcoin, and I think that Ethereum could easily reach $10,000 per coin in the future, which would potentially give it about a 4x compared to people saying Bitcoin's going to go to 250,000, 500,000 per coin. Well, I think that Ethereum has so much more potential to continue to go higher, way past $10,000 per coin, in my opinion. Now, for you guys that are into Dogecoin, let's take a quick, recap of Dogecoin before we end this video. Obviously, it's down about 5%, but if we take a look here in the past week or so, it was obviously here at the highs, pulled back down, and now we're trading in this 20s range. As long as it doesn't fall below that 20 range, we'll be okay. If it falls below that, it could continue to go lower and lower. But obviously, for anybody that was in this, you should have taken profits in the 40 cents or higher area. Obviously, that was a huge, run up on Dogecoin. It does not have that potential, guys. It's not going to be going to the moon like everybody thought. It's just a meme coin. Like I say, every single video I mentioned that to you guys. It was a meme coin. If it was life-changing money, you should have taken profits instead of bag holding for the future. But I might be wrong. Maybe this coin will go to $1 in the future. I guess we'll have to wait and see who was right and who was wrong. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. If you do, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes in this video. It helps the YouTube channel grow and the YouTube algorithm push it as well. Leave a comment below what cryptocurrency you're going to be buying right now. What cryptocurrencies is on your watch list? Are any of these on your watch list? And what is your favorite cryptocurrency to trade? As always, subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for eToro or Webull, get your links in the description as well. Get your 2 free stocks with Webull when you sign up today, valued up to $1,800. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.